Hi, today I will be making a smart parking sensor device on the Tinkercad. So for project overview, this project is to make a device that use ultrasonic sensors to detect if the distance of the vehicle is too near. The buzzer will make sounds and the red LED will start flashing constantly to alert the users the distance of the vehicle is too near. And here are all the components needed for this project. First is the Arduino UNO, the breadboard, the HCSR04 ultrasonic sensors. Basically the ultrasonic sensors that has 4 pins instead of 3, and one piezo buzzer to make the sounds, one resistor for the red LEDs and the red LEDs, and of course also the 10 jumper wires to connect everything. Okay, so for the prototype, we need to wire it like this. Okay, for the ultrasonic sensors, we need to wire the power to the 5V, the ground to the ground. Okay, and we need to wire the trigger pin and the echo pin to one of the digital pin on the Arduino UNO. For here, the 2 is wired to the trigger pin and the 3 is wired to the echo pin. Okay, for the buzzer, we will wire the positive to the digital pin, same as the ultrasonic sensors. So here I'm wiring it to the digital pin 4, and for the LED, same things, connect the minus, the negative terminal or the cathode to a resistors and connect it to the ground, and the anode, the positive, connect it to one of the digital pin also. So LED is connected to 5. And for the coding part, first is to define the trigger and echo pin for the ultrasonic sensors, and buzzer pin, of course also the red LEDs lah. And here we need to put long duration and integer distance. Okay, and the setup sections, we need to set both the trigger pin as output, the echo pin as input, and set the buzzer as output, the red LED as output also, and start the serial monitor. Loop sections here, first we need to make sure the trigger pin is in low state. So here we will digital write the trigger pin as low and add a 2 microseconds delay to it. Okay, and the next is to trigger the sensors. It will digital write the trigger pin as high, where the trigger pins sends out the ultrasonic sounds and added with a 10 microsecond delay. And following by that is to digital write the trigger pin as low. So what happened is the trigger pin will be high, where it will make a ultrasonic sounds, and after 10 microsecond delay it will be turned off. Here the duration and distance is to measure the bounce back. I think this is time. Okay, sorry, small mistakes. Okay, this part is to measure the bounce back time. The duration is, so the code is like this, and the duration is equals to pulse in echo pin, which is the receive side of the ultrasonic sensors. Okay, so this part will set as height. The distance is equals to the durations divided by 0.034 times 2. So this is the equation that was needed for the ultrasonic sensors. And here is the if else statement for the buzzer and the LED to be activated. So okay, if the distance is less than 100 cm, as we can see here, the 100 is equals to 100 cm. Okay, it will make the buzzer to sound a 1000 Hz tone. Following by that is that the red LED will be lights up, which is in the high state, followed by delay 800 milliseconds, and it will turn off the red LED, which is in low state, and added another delays, and following by that is to print out the alarm state in the serial monitor, okay, which we can see later. And the else statement here, so if it's over 100, which is normal, the buzzer won't be make any sounds, and the serial monitor will print the normal distance string to it, okay. So after all this, the serial monitor will print the distance number, the distance integer, which is the number, and here is to serial print a new line, which is the cm string, and followed by another delays. So here I'm putting 100 milliseconds so it can have a very fast updates for better responsiveness. Okay, now let's simulate the prototype. So we can see if the distance is less than 100, okay, it will make the buzzer to sound, as well as the red LED to constantly flashing to indicate, okay, the vehicle is too near when at the parking lot, okay. So if it's over 100, it won't make any sounds, and on the serial monitor we still can see the distance number is print correctly, okay. So this is how I build the smart parking sensors using the ultrasonic piezo buzzer and the red LEDs.